One of the most common questions that students from India who are taking up a course in the field of finance or account, besides CA or MBA in finance, the options are of course ACCA, CFA, CMA, etc. And what is the scope? What are the job opportunities in India? What is the kind of salary package that they can expect? And we cover in this video a lot of examples of people who are, in India who've pursued ACCA, CFA and CMA. So before we get into this, if this is the first time you've come to the channel, then please do subscribe. And if you've already been viewing the channel, watching us, supporting us, and thank you so much, please do leave a like or comment so that others like you can reach out to us. Next coming to CFA. Level 1, CFA. If you complete level 1, you can get anywhere between 4 to 5 lakhs, maybe even 6 lakhs, depending on which kind of companies. Level 2, it can go from 6 to 10 lakhs. I know somebody who used to work at one of the firms here, Anand Rathi, in product. And she was being paid approx 10 lakh at the end of level 2. I also know people who are working as CFA level 3 in companies like Crystal, and I think their package is of course above 10 lakhs. So CFAs have, based on the level, based on the kind of companies, they also have high salaries paid in India. CFA, another advantage is that most people study something along with CFA. So whether it's CA, whether it's MBA finance, whether it's ACCA kind of qualifications or it's FRL kind of qualifications, if you combine your qualification and the company requires the combination of the two qualifications, then your package starts increasing. So that's to do with CFA. If this is the first time you've come to the channel, then please do subscribe. And if you've already been viewing the channel, watching us, supporting us, and thank you so much, please do leave a like or comment so that others like you can reach out to us.